If you're trying to get your sexy back, this is the pattern for you. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. I'm Tequila B with TruLuv Designz. In today's video, I'm going to talk about my first simplicity pattern. Yay! So if you didn't know, today is National Simplicity Day. And no, it has nothing to do with the actual Simplicity Pattern Company itself. It's actually a day just to remind us to live life simply and minimalistic. I know a lot of us don't do that, but it's just a reminder to sometimes, peel back from all that we do and just live life simplistically. But for me, I felt this would be a great day to release this video in honor of me sewing my first simplicity pattern, S8915. Now this is a Mimi G style pattern. So this pattern is 5 pieces, not counting the elastic. You have your front, there's 2 back pieces, you have your straps, and then you have a front facing. When I tell you this dress came together oh so beautifully, I mean, the whole time I was making the dress, I was just getting excited because it was really looking how it was supposed to look, and I was getting excited to wear it. Now, this fabric came from Fabrictopia, and if you've ever visited this warehouse, all of this fabric is just on shelves. It may say polyester on the end, or jersey, or swim, or activewear, or mesh, or something like that, but you don't really get the full content of the fabric that you're purchasing. But I will say that this fabric is very stretchy, and once I started working with it, I realized that it was more of like an activewear, or this could even be used for swimwear, but it worked beautifully and wonderfully and draped well for this dress as well. So I do have a little bit of this fabric left, and I'm thinking about making a swimsuit or something along those lines with it. We'll see. I give this pattern 5 out of 5 stars. I really liked it. Again, it was easy and it came together so beautifully. Is there anything that I didn't like about this pattern? Not at all. Is there anything I absolutely loved? I did. If you're trying to get your sexy back, this is the pattern for you. It doesn't show too much. Well, I grew up in a modest family, so for my family, it would be too much. But for me, this is just the right amount of sexy. And most of your sexy is in the back. Now, it is halter-like in the front, and the ties cross and come in the back, and they run through a channel and tie in the back. So the back is exposed with your back skirt starting right at your lower back, your lower waist, lower back area. But I really liked it, and I am going to wear this dress out. It will be somewhere with my husband, of course, but I love this dress. Even when I went out to take my pictures and all that, I was really feeling myself. The neighbors even came out and was like, "Oh, that dress is so beautiful. The colors are really popping." And I was like, "Thank you." Didn't even think they were really paying attention, even though we were kind of in the middle of the street when they came home with their groceries. But nevertheless, I was really feeling myself in that dress. And if I could have worn it to where we went that day without being overdressed, I would have worn it. So I'm just waiting for the perfect event and perfect time to wear this dress. But again, I like everything about this pattern. There is nothing that I did not like, nothing that I would change, and I will be making it again. I think I'm going to hack it a little bit and make a short version, and the ruching that's in the back, I think I'm going to also add to the front. So when I said I'm going to make a swimsuit with my leftover fabric, I'm going to use the front top portion of the bodice. I'm going to use the front top portion of the dress front and the back pieces and straps for the swimsuit. That's what I hope to do. So we'll see. Did I learn anything with this pattern? I absolutely did. I did. And I was so proud of myself. I learned how to do ruching with and without channels. And when I was doing it, I was like, oh my God, this is easy. So I can do this with anything now. A skirt, a t-shirt. It was so easy. It seemed complicated, but I was like, this is very easy and I could do this with anything. So that is one skill that I picked up and now have under my belt. So again, I give this pattern 5 stars out of 5 stars. And if you are looking to get your sexy back, pick up Simplicity 8915. It is a wonderful, beautifully made and designed dress. I absolutely loved it. I'm sorry if y'all hear that knocking at the door. That's Kane. He's knocking, trying to come into the room, but he can wait. He's not gonna wait. Ayana, you can let him in. Are you happy now? Don't lick me. Don't. Do not. Don't. Okay. So I guess he's satisfied now. This dress does have a mermaid tail, and it is much longer in the back than it is in the front. So I did have to make some alterations. I needed to cut a total of 5 inches off of my hem, but I only cut about 3.5 because I knew I was going to have to hem it. So I hemmed it about 1 inch, so it hung perfectly over the shoes that I was wearing with it. I mean, it was perfect. So if anybody knows, I'm only 4'11", so I did have to cut off that much, but it wasn't bad. And I did cut that much all the way around. So my mermaid tail still hung like it was supposed to. It was still longer in the back than it was in the front, and everything just worked out perfectly. I love this fabric. I love this dress, and you'll see in the photos that I was really feeling myself. So I can't wait to wear it, and I hope you guys pick it up and make it for yourself. You're gonna love it. If you've enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Also, hit that notification bell so you'll know when my next video goes up. And until next time, see it, make it, slay it.